Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Just like that. Don't worry about my hands chalky. I've been playing pool. Get up off my ass. I don't care. I don't give a fuck what the fuck you got to talk about. Oh, there we go. All right, so look. We got rib. That bitch. We got buffalo. It's Quaker shake. Shit. Damn, man. Man, look. This ain't my night, so. No, I definitely had a good night. I ain't get beat at all in pool, so. We got the Blick Stiggity. About to go ahead. All right, you know what? I'm about to just do this right quick. All right, so we got the buffalo Quaker shake. This shit tastes like Chinese food. It's like a Chinese wing. God damn, that's why the roof of my mouth be fucked up every morning. And shit this damn hot. Boy, man, look. I don't feel it right now, but I feel this shit every morning.